Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to easily do captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we have our clip here.
If you want to know how to travel Barcelona.
So now to do captions, we're going to go up to Window, Workspaces, and then we do Captions and Graphics. And then we're going to head over to the left and do Captions. And then we're going to hit that blue button saying Create Captions from Transcript. And then here's where we will do all of our settings. So we're going to click down on here. And this is where we can do all of our timing. So we want to have how many characters on a line. So let's do 50. And then we will do the spacing and the gap between the different captions. And we want a single line. And then we will do create captions. So now it will auto-generate the captions for us. All right, so now that we have these captions generated, if we want to take out all of the punctuation, so we'll start with periods. So we just type in the period, we go replace, and then we put in a space here, and then go replace all. And now it's taking out all the periods, and then we go and we do the same thing with a comma. Do a space again, and then replace all again. And now here we can kind of look through and see. So here we have a double space. We can go in here and replace that or delete the double space. And then here we can also check and make sure that all of the words are right. So now that we have all of the captions in here, we can highlight it to edit them. So once you've highlighted it, you can go on to the right-hand side and we have the font. You can pick a font here. We can adjust the sizing, so we can do bold, upper, lower cases. We can adjust the font size, and then where we want it on the screen. And here we can also adjust which section of the screen we want it. And also here we can do the same thing, so where we want it within the screen. And then here we can choose our font colors. So maybe we'll do a blue. And maybe we will do a pink, just so that it pops a little bit more. All right, and then we can go down. So that's our stroke. So that's the outside layer of the font. And then here we can have a shadow. So this is what's going to make it kind of pop off the screen. And so you can change the color.
Let me show you what's layered between these perfectly shaped grids.
And that is how you edit captions and create captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.